Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our channel Stock Market Nest. This is our first video in our course. This video covers basic knowledge for beginners. First one, what is stock market or share market? First, I just want to clear if you have any confusion between stock market and share market. Both are not different. They are same. In Hindi, we call it as share market. In English, we call it as stock market. That's it. Before knowing about stock market or share market term, let me first explain what is share or stock. Share or stock is nothing but part or piece of anything. In stock market terms, piece of ownership of a company. That means if you buy a share of XYZ company, that means you own a piece of ownership of that company. If you sell the share of that company, that means you are selling your piece of ownership. Okay, now what is market? A market is where we buy or sell vegetables is called vegetable market. Similarly, a place where we buy and sell the shares of a company is called share market or stock market. Second one, why you have to invest in stock market? You have to invest in stock market because of inflation. Inflation is nothing but decreasing the value of rupee. For example, assume that you are in 1990s or 1980s. You have 100 rupees with you. You go to market and buy 100 rupees worth vegetables. You can easily get 20 baskets of vegetables. You can ask your father or grandfather. Now, in 2020, if you go with that 100 rupees, you will get maximum 3 to 4 items. That is called inflation. Here, 100 rupees is not changed, but the value of that 100 rupees is decreased. India's average inflation rate is around 5 to 6%. That means every year you are losing 5 to 6 rupees in every 100 rupees you have. To stand out of that inflation, you have to invest your money in something to gain that 6%. But stock market India gave 17% CAGR over the last 40 years. Here CAGR means compound annual growth return. That means average returns. Third one is stock market is illegal? My question is, if stock market is illegal, then why TV channels are covering special programs on stock market? My second question is, have you seen any person who buys and sell in stock market got arrested? I hope you got the answer. Fourth one is sebi. In stock market, there is a chances of happening scams. Of course, they are very rare. So, Indian government appointed SEBI. SEBI means Securities and Exchange Board of India. It is like police to our stock market to protect our investments from fraudsters. Fifth one, what is stock exchange? It is like office to our stock market. In India, there are three major stock exchanges are there. They are, one is BSE, that means Bombay Stock Exchange. Second one is NSE. That means National Stock Exchange. And the third one is MCX. That means Multi Commodity Exchange. In BSE, there are almost 5,000 companies are listed. Out of this, BSE picked 30 companies from different sectors with different weightage and named that group as Sensex 30. In NSE, there are almost 1600 companies are listed. Out of these 1600 companies, NSE picked 50 companies and name it as Nifty 50. And MCX is not for stocks, it is for commodities like gold, silver, crude oil, copper and zinc. Sixth one, what is IPO? IPO means initial public offering. That means it was the very first time to the company offering its shares to the public, like you and me, to raise capital. I will do a separate video for IPO. In this video, I just want to give the basic knowledge. I don't want to confuse with new terms. Seventh one is, who is stockbroker? Stockbroker is a person who places buy and sell orders on behalf of his clients. In stock market, we can't go directly to NSE or BSE to buy and sell shares. We can only buy and sell shares with the help of broker only. Stockbroker provides us online trading platform to buy and sell shares. Eighth one is, what is DMAT and trading account? Here, DMAT and trading accounts are different. Most people think that both are same because nowadays brokers are offering 2-in-1 accounts. First, let me explain what exactly is DMAT. In past, if you buy the share of any company, they will give the share certificate. It is in the physical format. Now, they are dematerialized into electronic format. Now, these electronic format shares are stored in DMAT account. And now, trading account. Trading account is used for buy and sell shares of a company, where DMAT account is used to store these shares. To buy and sell shares, we use trading account. If you want to open DMAT account and trading account, I will give the link in the description. You can open it from there. If it is possible, I will try to come live tomorrow with some stocks chart analysis. I will share my views there. Don't miss. If you like my work, like and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye and Jai Hind.